What is a glass dildo and how does it differ from a silicone dildo? Stay tuned, let's find out. A glass dildo is a dildo made from transparent glass. The Gildo collection has a wide variety of glass dildos and glass anal plugs as well. Let's take a look at the glass dildo number 10. As you can see, it has beautiful colours spiralling against each other, which is also stimulating ribbing. It can also be used for temperature play as it's glass. So you could, for example, pop this in cold water for an extended amount of time to enjoy cooler sensations during use. Or you could even leave it in warmer water to enjoy warmer sensations during use. And because it's glass, you can use any lubricant of your choice. A glass dildo provides extra sensations during use, temperature play, and of course the stimulating ribbing as well. Each glass dildo is individually different. For example, this dildo has beautiful stimulating ribbing, others might be slightly curved, and have loop handles as well. This is perfect for G-spot stimulation. And as well as this, of course, temperature play makes it even more enjoyable as well. Make sure to clean the glass dildo after every use using a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Make sure to store in a dust-free place or even use your Gildo luxury toy bag to pop this in as well. Did you find this video helpful? Why not like this video and check out our other product videos too? If you have a question for us, why not leave a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.